to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury things that us girly girls love. And so before I get started, I just want to say you guys are the best subbies ever. And so today's unboxing was actually kind of a recommendation from one of my subbies. I've been wanting this thing, but I don't want to tell you what it is. All right, guys, my bag of the day is the Tabby pillow top. I'm gonna tell you, I really love this bag. It's one of my best purchase this year. I am so excited. I'm gonna come back later and tell you guys more about it, what fits in my bag and that kind of stuff. So let me move on to why you're here today. I have an unboxing. So ladies, if you want to see what I got from Macy's, then keep watching. This is a true unboxing. And it's also a blind buy. Basically, one of my subbies told me that this bag was on sale, and it just so happened that my Fur Le Plage, I put the name on the screen because I'm not French. My tote bag messed up, and so I've been looking for another tote bag. I was looking at the Dempsey, but the Dempsey looked like it's a little too heavy, and I really packed my bag. I was trying to think of a bag I could get that's an in-between bag. I wanted something that's like a tote, but then I could also wear it on my shoulder or crossbody if I wanted to. All right, so I found some scissors. I'm gonna open this up. This is a true raw unboxing. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. I normally don't like the department stores because, you know, they just throw your bags in anyway. Let's see how it looks. All right, this is how it's looking. Oh, at least they have it in plastic. All right, it's in plastic. All right, that's good. All right, let me take some of the stuff out of the bag. Ladies, can you guess what's in the bag? Can you guess? All right. It is. All right, so I will put the name on the screen. All right, let me take out some of the stuff. Okay, Macy's, I'm a little impressed. Good job with the packing. I could take it off the plastic. All right, let me inspect. Oh, I like it. All right, let me take out the stuff on the inside. Oh, my dust bag. Okay, I'm happy about that. Let me show you. Dust bag. Always happy to see that. All right, let me take everything out of the bag. All right, and I have a strap. I love Coach because they really pack the bags. I really appreciate that. It takes a long time to unbox on camera, but I really appreciate all the paper. So I know it wasn't returned. All right, so here is the strap for the bag. Strap looks like this. It's adjustable. One of those old-fashioned adjustable type, which sometimes I don't like because sometimes these don't hold too good. Hopefully this works. Let me clip my shoulder straps to the bag. All right, ladies, let's examine the bag. It looks like this. I love it so far. It is the jacquard fabric in, I believe, black and white. Hopefully you can see the horse and carriage. It is a mid-size bag. I'll put the size on the screen. All right, that's the front, and this is the back with the Coach tag right here. All right, leather at the top, leather in the middle. All right, on the bottom, no feet. Inside the bag is just a big empty tote. It's really big with a lining on the inside. It feels like a microfiber lining. All right, here's the bag. Here's the big pocket. It has the Coach Creed right there. You can't see it because it's black. And then there's also another Coach tag with the horse and carriage. I don't know if you can see that right there. Okay. It has a snap closure right there. So it's not a zip type tote bag. So I think this is really cute. And then it also has the straps. I really wanted the bag with this pattern, but it hasn't gone on sale yet. Let's see if I can move my camera and show you how it looks. All right, ladies, I try to turn the camera, so I hope you can see clearly. I'm sorry I don't have all the proper lights, but you can wear the bag like this on your arm. If you're thinner than me, you can put it on your shoulder. All right, you could use the strap and adjust it if you need to. I'm 5'9". It falls right here at my hip. The handles do not go down, so you can't fold them in because they keep popping up like that. You can either wear it on your shoulder or take the straps off and hold it like this. So ladies, I am loving this. It reminds me of my old school coat, right? With the jacquard print. I love it. It's cute. This is going to be my work bag, actually. This is the signature Coach Field Tote. I hope that you enjoyed my little unboxing. If you've been following me with my envelope stuffing, you know that I had to use the money from my Me Fund in order to get this bag. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, this year I am doing a handbag challenge where I'm saving up for a luxury handbag, and I only have $200 a week to work with. So some people are following my journey as I try to save up for a luxury handbag. All right, so I just wanted those people to know where am I getting the money for this. All right, ladies, that's it for me on my Field Tote bag today. I will come back and do a wear and tear and let you see what fits in my bag. Ladies, before I go, give me a thumbs up. Hit that bell notification so you'll know when I upload a video. And if you are a new subby, welcome, welcome, welcome. We do all kinds of luxury fun things over here. All right, ladies, before I go, as I always say, don't forget to enjoy life's sweetest things. And sometimes, ladies, it's a handbag. Until next time, bye.